This video is going to be in broken language, but it is actually meant for my fellow Biafrans, my fellow Igbos, and their supporters, the Mozobs. I say make I speak broken because not be all of us don't understand, not be all the Igbos don't understand Igbo language. I be don't do this video before, but I won't repeat them because the audio no good, and that one was long. It's too long, so this one I won't cut them very short. I say make I use this video reply some of the comments we me get to my previous video before where I do. Waiting provoke some of the people who comment, where they attack me for the comment section there. They say I no like this fight where would they take pursue Biafra. I go show you the comments. Some of them come the right say make I show them the way me want to follow pursue the Biafra. If you say you no like the one where then they follow, which one you bring? Make you show us. Maybe if they fine, or maybe the fee say you know they good. And so I won't take now and beg you, make you know verse, may you know they provoked by this video. So I won't beg you ahead. This my 3 point. Comment in the comment section. Correct me if you know like them and why you know like them. And if I make sense, may you no forget to share. I beg you. Before I continue, let me just quickly show you 1 or 2 comments where make me they do this video. Where some of the comments were nice, but few of them that is pushing me to say these things that I'm trying to say now. Please talk like a brave man. Which way do you want to get Biafra? Please tell us your own way. If you don't support the way it is going. I know say I don't support the way it's going. I just some of our beloved brothers where they take them to another level. Can they make them look like saying them be extremists? We all want Biafra. To my dear heart, we want them like today and tomorrow. But me, I get a different approach to it. So the form of attacking anyone that is not in that fighting level, even the Bible says ofuchi namu ofafo namu ofuchi adeke. So in the same family you might see people where they behave different. So this one now say tell us the way you want us to go about it. So that is what I'm about to do. This one also said like something like the one you want Biafra, but how do you want it? Okay, sorry. Bring out your own plan so that we will be followed, please. So, my 3 plan may be the plan where you go don't hear before. First one where I want to away for as my point is dialogue. And I won't explain what I mean by dialogue, because the dialogue where I mean now to start with our people first. We are too divided. Where we say person where you are in one person where you are in follow they find the Biafra, and in the suspect say you be in enemy. So we are too divided. First of all, to get even if na 70% among our people that we will follow the fight this struggle, this journey. Even Ojukwu used dialogue. There was a time when he was about to do what he did. He applied so much dialogue so that he could get in people. So all those few where sabotaged him were among the 30%. But now we not even get up to 40% on our side. I would like to expand this dialogue issue more, but make I talk about number 2 first. This my number 2 now to destroy or disconnect or to destabilize the Western interest in our place. Because so many things where people don't know, we say, no be Yoruba people they fight us, no be outside they fight us, no be all these people where they fight now, they fight Igbos. People where they fight us now, the people where have some selfish interest in our land. Until you shake that thing, will make them they do what they do. They disenfranchise us, they cause wahala in our land. They no go come to a table, dialogue table, come ask you what are you agitating for. Until you shake that place, no be fighting our people, not to destroy that thing will make them stay in our place. That their interest, that their treasure, where then they die for, will make them put us in this chaos. Until you reduce it to nothing or shake it. I won't talk about it the more, but make I talk about 3. This number 3 na prayer. Whenever I talk about prayer, sometimes in some of my video, people would attack me there. I don't know why people hate prayer so much, but Nnamdi Kanu they pray. Now prayer, now God, now still God, now keep am alive till today. One of the things where they take no Igbo people now, the word Umu Chineke. Yeah, Umu Chineke, in all our names, you go see Chi, God this, Chineke this, Chi that. That literally means that we are originated, our real foundation, core foundation of Igbos, it has to do with God. So the mineral resources and the Igbo land where God preserve, we won't now fight it out by our own self, our own hand, our own wisdom. It's not done until we learn how to call on our God in different ways. There's nothing where we they do in our place where we know they call on our God. I know they here to preach you Jesus. So I'm only telling you God. Before you converse, they preach you Christianity. No, I'm just telling you about God. Nobody say I'm a Christian. I believe in prayer. I believe in Holy Spirit. But nobody say, nobody do what I won't do in this video. What I won't tell you in this video be say, upon all the strategy, we dey forget say God na number one. So we praying in our dialects, our forefathers them, ancestors them, calling on your own God the way you sabi, the way you take know how to call on your God. This time, make we include every of our siblings, our brothers and sisters. Now where you don't hear the three where I talk about, make I retouch them again one by one, because I get so many things to say, but I won't cut and short, because nobody wants sleep for one video, you know. When I talk about dialogue, I don't mean say everybody must be involved. I just mean say if you look at the map, and you will see here say we are many. Igbo dey plenty, and with a reason different. Dialogue is a strategy where because now Igbo people now then divide us all this way. Making your brother to know why you are pursuing it and why we must pursue it. Then trying to see if we go get people, we could go talk to people like this, talk to Ebonyi people, talk to the Delta Igbos, talk to them until we gain them small, at least 70%. When one guy they attack me, he said there is no way you can get everybody. At least 70%. If you not get all, even if not 60%. Of course it is possible. It is possible. When you go there, you know, go criticize them, go tell them, go there against their own pattern. When you bring, say, okay, now the same goal everybody pursue. In every community, get people who go carry something for head, get people who go carry them for shoulder, get people who go carry them for hand. So people are different. So until we realize that we can never be the same, the better. The most important is say they want Biafra. Me, I want them. You want them. Others want them. See what all these people they do for Europe, European Union. All of them, they don't agree in one thing, but I mean in many things, but they agree in one thing: unity. Now everybody for Europe they fight for, because they know say they small. Now they know say if China fall on them, they go destroy all of them. And since before they divide border everywhere. Now they don't already there is many ways to get all these people, make them be in the same mind. Now Igbo people now then divide us. Only when we know say now these people they fight us, not our brothers and sisters. They better for us. You get one of my friends where they destroyed their house, burned their, even killing two brothers. Today, now me and him, we they carry everything for head, the Biafra today and tomorrow. But when I ask him last time when I interview him, instead he don't get any interest again for waiting at the even they talk. So I go to talk up, they talk go down. Why? Because they don't really scatter. Now, people can't be homeless. Not be this particular building, but I just they show this because now some people they homeless like this. So if you go meet them now, say okay, let's go fight, let's go do this. They go tell you, wait, let's find that formula, because they are in pain. Like our brother now, only say the Nnamdi Kanu, they are our leader. If they suffer, it's not easy. If you listen to one of his video where I watched recently, you go hear when they say everybody should be calm.
talk peacefully. How am I we are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here.
To be calm. To Biafra land to be calm. Yes. So in they say in they talk calm by himself, say we need Biafra land to be calm. Because there are ways to we need to include our old people. People who don't suffer during the war, like myself, in my family, we lost a lot of people. We lose so many people where today I don't know them. And so many people where don't get injury. Their own people don't die. If you go to them now, ask them, they will say, make we take it easy. Because they don't want to lose another person. Some of these people will be green snake in the green grass among us. We need to find a way either to cage them or convince them to be with us. It is by dialogue. It's the same people, if you don't get that dialogue approach to win them, they go sabotage all our effort. Now the same thing will happen to Juku. Now the same people when they fight with, now them make open way for the Hausa people to follow Nsoka area, follow all those areas where they from enter. That's why even Ojuku before he died, he say, don't fight. He did not say, may you know pursue what you they pursue, but the approach must be really and thoroughly investigated or screened. People where they fight you, where they against you, not be them they against you. Now the people where they on the top, all these Oyibo people, now then they use these people. Then they use them like tomorrow no day. And when they don't even see other tribes to use, they use our people, our own brothers and sisters. And how Satan they take enter them, they say, when you condemn the point where they get, everybody gets points. And everybody gets sense in one way or the other. Not condemn their own point. Ask them, include their own point into our whole strategy where we get. Because if you condemn their point, it will be like say they make them look lesser Igbos and you are the real Igbos. Make them feel like say with you or without you we will still get Biafra. No, instead now Satan will come enter that person, he will come betray you. Now person betray Namdekan, now person betray Ojuku, now person still they betray us every corner and they among us. And my point be saying now we they provoke some of those people by making them look as if their point is useless. Like waiting some of them they tell me in the comment section. Even when I comment to one of the guy say dialogue is also very important, he say na jargon. Well, it's not jargon. I'm making my point. Even with all the things where the guy wrote, he not even write one thing there say this is his own point. But he go find someone where they make his own point, condemn it. So what opposite of dialogue is quarrel, literally. And dialogue is not like trying to box everybody in the same box, forcing everybody to agree in the same pattern. No, the same goal, different approach to it. Just like if you won't go London, for instance, there are many roads to London. But now the most important thing that matters if you say your brother and your sister were heading in the same area, the same direction. Okay, the other one say maybe you carry for leg, the other one say maybe you carry for head. All of us they work towards. Nobody say they would just see you say, I accept the fight system. They would attack you because even if we reach up to 70%, even if not 60%, now you can now destabilize that thing will make them they choke us for neck. That thing will make them come build their nest in our own community, in our place, in our land. The place where they against our own pattern, our own principle. Because of the way they take sound, somehow they will be provoked. They are human beings like you. So if you just disagree with that pattern, they will say you are not in support. In fact, they will even say you are not a Biafra, that you are not even Igbo. Now the thing where God take bless us, now they cause most of this wahala. Not be your brothers, now the thing. So if we mess it up, they will sit down for one table, say, oh boy, come, make we talk. Waiting they verse you. Waiting with the agitation. There will be now a mutual agreement. I believe so. If comment on the comment section, comment. Tell me why you disagree. Then from there, on all this the way we talk, we will still put her into the hand of God. either by prayer or by, I believe say our ancestors, our forefathers were good ones then they where they still dey back us behind. The olden days where we hear the story about the colony time where Oyibo people won't settle in our land. Now mosquito drive them comot. Do you know, according to the history wey me read, I believe say that is no be ordinary mosquito. Now our forefathers, na dem wake up, call for mosquito, come dey drive them left, right, and center. They can't even name Nigeria the white man graveyard. As I said before, make I stop here, make this video not too long. But I will still make plan B of this video. Comment amicably, respectfully on the comment section. Nobody be Igbo pass each other. We are all going through the marginalization that we are talking about. But may God help us and bless our struggle and give us this our heart desire. That is my prayer. Amen. He say